Good morning, YouTube. Today, we're changing out the transmission bushing on a Ferrari F430 transmission.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and we are at my dealership, NG Supercars, and this transmission is Josh's for his Ferrari F430, and we pulled it out because it needs a new clutch, and we're converting it to a manual, and we noticed that the bushing is done. So let me tell you, this job is actually a big pain in the ass. I'm not looking forward to this. So we're gonna get it out and put the new one in. It's actually the getting the new one in part that really sucks. You have to have a special tool, and so we'll show you all that stuff. So like, share, and subscribe. You guys, we do appreciate it when you guys support us. All right, let's have at it, and I'll show you what's going on. All right, YouTube, so normally the transmission would be in the car, but the nice thing about having it out of the car is it's a great time to replace that because you got really good access and you don't have to worry about bashing knuckles and all that stuff and having limited access. What you can see is, yeah, all that rubber is cracked and falling apart, so it's only a matter of time till this thing completely collapses. These things are one directional. I don't remember which direction. I want to say it's you got to push it out that way and push it in this way. We'll have to do some measurements to make sure. Now there is a trick to getting these things out, which we're going to probably do, which is you can cut all of the rubber out first and then just take a Sawzall and cut a relief cut in the bearing so it can compress a little, and then you can push it out much easier, because this thing is in there like crazy. It is super difficult. A bunch of people say take the new bushing, which is right here in this bag, and throw it in a freezer overnight. Honestly, that has not helped me in the past. I don't think it matters. I'm not going to bother doing that. What we are going to do is we're going to put some lubrication on it. First thing we're going to do, let's get this old one out. All right, YouTube, we got a Sawzall. There's actually a hole that can fit the Sawzall blade right there, so we're just gonna saw right there. It just kind of goes straight down, maybe gut it out a little bit, and then the goal is to cut through the bushing but not into the aluminum of the transmission. So you don't want to go too far. That's the trick. This rubber stuff comes out pretty easily. It smells like crap. Look at that, it's like burning the metal because it's rubber. Well, you know what? I'm gonna put another cut just to kind of give it some more room so we're not overheating. A little more space. Almost through. I'm gonna vacuum up some of this debris just because I don't want it going into the transmission anywhere. Put a more cut in it.
Nope.
No.
That's not gonna
I think I'm saying like take a punch and hit it right there so
Yeah.
pop it loose.
It's definitely loose now.
It's looser?
Oh yeah.
I think you want to go that way.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Boom! Look at that. Barely cut it. Good. Nice. See, way easier than using the damn press. All right, YouTube, so we got the old one out. You can see it put a tiny little scuff right here, but honestly, that's not gonna matter. And this thing is, you do have to orient it this way. So that's very important. It is up, down, this way. You don't want to do it that way. You want to be this way. The other thing to note is there's a bevel right here. See that? So that's the side that goes in first. Now I believe, like I said, I believe it goes in this way. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to measure the inside diameter with a micrometer and make sure that this side is the same as that side, then if that's true, then it doesn't matter. And I'm also going to measure the outside diameter of this and see if it's any different, because we want the smallest end in first. All right, YouTube, so we're going to put it in from that direction, and we're going to use this giant bushing press. It is a pain in the ass to use. We're also going to spray a whole bunch of lubricant. So where'd it go? There it is. We're going to spray a bunch of liquid wrench onto both pieces to help give it a little bit of lubrication to go in. This part is where everything starts to suck. Spray. A little bit of that there. Spray it over here. I've already had to replace the rod on this bearing press like 5 times because every time we use it, it basically destroys the rod. So it's going to go this direction. Make sure it's vertical. Okay. And there. Get everything all lined up. Make sure it's still vertical. Good. Still vertical. I guess I can start to twist
going crooked.
Yeah. You have to like tap it with the hammer. Oh, there's no good way to do this thing.
No, in the same shape.
Keeps rotating down.
Yeah.
What if I should try it from this side?
Yeah, we can.
Here. Oops. Ooh. I think that may have done it.
Yeah, I think we got it. Once it gets started, it's fine.
Yeah, it's just that first 1/4 inch. Throw some more lube on it.
Magic lube.
Mm-hmm. Sweat.
Get your workout in today.
Right? Today was arm day.
It was arm day for me, actually.
Was it?
Yeah, my arms are sore. I can. You want me to do a couple of those?
Might need a bigger bar. Here, let me spray a little more on it. I think you could use a bigger bar.
It's all right. We're almost got this.
Sure.
It's getting really tight. You know, last time I did this, I broke the
nut?
bolt.
Oh, I did that too. Here, get a bigger bar.
I don't want to break that. That would suck.
Well, loosen it and undo it a bit, and we'll throw some lubrication on the threads.
The threads are probably getting hot too. They're
Yeah.
expanding a little. We could give it a break for a minute.
Sure.
Let it cool down.
There. There, leave it out pretty far.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I think lubricating the threads made a big difference.
Did it?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, also using a bigger bar, but
Yeah.
now it's getting pretty tight.
Back it off a second. Oh shit. There. Okay. Ready to re-lubricate it?
Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah. Let's let it sit for a second.
It's getting,
Oh, it's almost there on that side. It's only got like tiny bit to go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a tiny bit on this too. There. That help?
Yep. I think letting it cool down for a
Yeah,
second.
I think
makes
cool
a
down
big
and
difference.
re-lubricate. Honestly, maybe 1 or 2 more and that's it.
I think that's probably good.
Back off.
Let's check and see. Yeah, we're good. It's
Yeah.
almost-
Yeah. That's it.
That wasn't as bad as I thought.
Yeah, this rod's hot.
I did this on my 360 and it took me 2 days. But I did it with the transmission in the car, but still, it sucked.
Shoot, this thing's stuck on there. I don't know if I can hold it. while
Grab
you-
the wrench.
How am I gonna?
Oh,
I'm gonna have to double nut it. Here, hand me that nut.
double nut.
Okay. There we go. Yeah, these rods get just totally destroyed. Cool.
This car's gonna feel solid.
Dude, it's gonna be a totally new car. Well, there you go, YouTube. New transmission bushing, a pain in the butt. You have to get that special tool in order to do that. We'll put a link for it in the description below. I don't remember the name of the tool. It's a Hill Engineering
Hill
tool.
Engineering just bearing.
It's a
It's made specifically for the
yes.
Ferrari
It's like the transmission bushing tool or whatever.
Learn from my mistake because, like I said, last time I did this on my car, I broke that bolt because I didn't let it cool down and I did not lubricate the threads.
Yeah, yeah. So do
Do
like
both of those. Do a little bit.
I don't know, 5-6 turns. Unwind it. Spray some
Right.
lube. Let it cool down for a minute. Do a couple more.
You could really tell the difference. Like it would get stuck, back it off, let it cool, put the lube on there, and then it was nice and
Yep,
smooth.
yep.
Just keep doing
Yeah,
that.
because
until you get it
we've
in.
broken that bolt like 5
Yeah.
times.
And also make sure you got your diamond is looking like this, up and down.
Yep.
Not sideways.
Yeah, and obviously it's a lot harder when it's in the car, which is probably going to be what you're doing unless you happen to be doing like a clutch or something else with it. But that's it, you guys. Quick video. So like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Check out normalguysupercar.com. We do appreciate your support. And ngsupercars.com.